Select Add from the options on the bottom of the screen. Press Time. The new options seen at the bottom of the screen will allow you to format the date code. The font size is changed by using the slider in the font menu. A timestamp can be added or removed by using the checkbox labeled Time. The same can be done for the date. Use the Format drop-downs to select a date format from the list. The date can be set as an expiration using the Expiry button. From the 3 columns in the Expiry menu, select the number of days, months, or years that your product expires. The date will roll over every day.